Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah. Epic, welcome to our creative meeting. I'm Mr. Radekal and this is Mr. Starmer. Welcome. And over here we have Mr. Walker. Mr. Walker is a bit sleepy right now, so we'll allow him to sleep for the time being. So we heard a lot about you in Epic. That's why I really bring you into this meeting right now. So we are creating a new product we're about to drop on the market. And we need a name. So that's why we link you up today. I think you can help us with that. Yeah man, I can do that. We want something. The name has to be something new, something creative, something that's never been heard before. You think you can manage that? Yeah, as a matter of fact, I have a couple. Oh, I forgot again, Epic. Don't call it anything with the word drink or juice in the name. That's been done like a million times before. We need something fresh, something out of the box, Epic. You think you can help us with that? Yeah man, so I think we can call. Epic, let's wait Mr. Walker and get some input before you speak. No, you don't have to wake him up. Wake up, Mr. Walker, wake up. You don't have to wake him up, man. Schweppes, we can call it Schweppes. Schweppes. Oh, you spell it?
It's epic out here.
Epicflows production.
Radical epic. Epicflows. Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.